Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful grey haircut ideas for women over 50. Grey hair is natural, stylish and full of confidence. You don't need to hide it, you can make it shine. Let's explore some simple and elegant haircut ideas. First we have the short pixie cut. This haircut is easy to manage and looks very modern. It gives a fresh and confident look. You don't need much time to style it, so it's perfect for daily life. Next is the classic bob haircut. The bob is always in style. It looks neat and classy. Grey hair with a bob cut looks very elegant and smooth. You can keep it straight or add soft waves. Another beautiful option is the layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to your hair. This is great if your hair feels thin. It gives a soft and youthful look without much effort. Now let's talk about beautiful shoulder length grey hair. If you don't want very short hair, this is a perfect choice. You can add soft curls or waves to make your hair look fuller and more stylish. We also have the curly grey hairstyle. If you have natural curls, embrace them. Grey curly hair looks unique and beautiful. Just use a little styling cream to keep your curls defined. Another lovely idea is the side parted haircut. Changing your hair part can make a big difference. A side part adds volume and gives your face a soft and flattering shape. Let's explore some low bun or simple updo. This style is great for special occasions or even everyday wear. It looks clean, classic, elegant and very graceful with grey hair. Use a good shampoo for grey or silver hair. Keep your hair moisturized and soft. Trim your hair regularly to keep it healthy. Choose styles that are easy and comfortable for you. Grey hair is not a sign of aging. It is a sign of beauty, confidence and experience. Be proud of your natural look and enjoy yourself. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion. Beautiful and trendy stylish women grey haircut ideas for women over 50. New and attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.